Here's a really easy way to remove and then install your oven door. And this is going to work for most types of oven doors. So open the door 90 degrees all the way open. You can use a screwdriver to help you to pry back these latches, and they're hinged, and then they're supposed to be pulled back towards you and then folded back toward towards you as far as you can. Sometimes they're a little bit stuck, so you've got to use something to get them started, and I usually just use a flat bladed screwdriver. So I'm just pushing behind. There we go, that one moved. I'm going to fold it toward me as far as it'll go. There we go. So it sits all the way down. I'll do the same on this side. Usually these haven't been moved for a long time, so it takes a little bit of leverage to get them moving. That one moved. There we go. Got it. Now I'm going to open the door. I'm sorry, I'm going to close the door toward the oven, almost to where it's shut. And then the hinges are going to come out of the oven cavity, and I can lift the door off. The door's kind of heavy, so don't hurt your back. Make sure you've got it supported. So it just came off. We'll get that out of the way. And next we'll show how to put it back on once you're done cleaning the oven. I'm going to put these hinges back into the oven cavity, into those two slots. Kind of wiggle them in as far as you can go, really push in, and then bring the oven door down 90 degrees all the way open. And grab those latches and push them all the way in toward the oven as far as they'll go. And then you can just close the door. And that's it. So pretty easy to do. Just got to make sure you don't hurt your back, you have it supported. And this is going to work for most types of oven doors. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. And also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. To contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.